All right, here we go with part number 2. Figure out what our answers are from this test. So first one, predict the charge that the most stable ion for phosphorus, -3. Again, look at your periodic table for that. Predict the charge of sulfur, -2. Okay. Binary compounds. Which of the following should be ionic? When we're dealing with ionic, okay, you need to have a metal going to a non-metal. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. So I go back over to my choices here. Sulfur, non. Hydrogen, non. Carb, non. And non-calcium, yes. So there's our ionic part, letter E. Just looking for a metal. Okay. Same thing. Which ones do you expect to be ionic? Again, let's look at the metal. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, wait. C. Ooh, strontium. Yes, strontium is definitely a metal. Sulfur, no. Hydrogen, no. So we're going to look at letter C for that one. Okay, which pair is mostly likely to find an ionic compound? Again, we need a metal and a non-metal in order to be the ionic. Okay, so look over here. Barium and chloride, yes indeed. Calcium and sodium, no. Oxygen and fluorine, no. Sulfur and carbon, no. Nitrogen and hydrogen, no. Because they're non-metal, non-metal. I gotta have the metal. Letter A. How many of the choices below, which one is not an ionic compound? Okay, so we are looking for a non-metal to non-metal. Okay, and so we've got phosphorus and chlorine. Yes, it does. Check the other ones. Nope, 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 because those are all metals. Go ahead and go with letter A. Which of the following formula of the compound between strontium and nitrogen? All right, here we go with our charges, okay? Strontium's a +2, nitrogen is a -3. So I'm looking, and I'm going to do my switcheroo of the charges. And so we're going to get strontium with a 3 and nitrogen with a 2. That's going to be our formula. So we go over here, take a look at our choices. SR 3 and 2, letter B. Okay. So number 23 and number 24, we skipped, okay, because there actually was no question for those ones, okay. So on to 25. Magnesium reacts with a certain element to form a compound with a general formula of MX, okay. So I'm dealing with MgX, okay. What will be the most likely compound for the following between lithium and the X, okay? Here we go, okay? If I look at my formula, okay, this is not an easy one, but you're very capable of doing it, okay? This magnesium that I'm dealing with always has a +2, okay? Which means in order for this to work, I'm looking at my X as a -2. Okay, so I know that's got to be a -2. And then what they're asking is instead of magnesium, okay, we're going to put lithium there, okay, and we're still going to have our X, okay. And now for the charges, so we figure this out what the actual compound is, okay. We know this X from up here is a -2, okay, and so I need this lithium to have a charge. And we're going to do the switcheroo backwards, okay? The 2 goes down to the lithium, okay? And there's nothing up above for the lithium, so we have just X, nothing else. So the following formula should be Li2 and then the X, okay? So now we're going to head over here to our choices. And we're going to find La2X, which happens to be letter A. Not the easiest question. I will admit that one. Okay? But you can do it. Okay? Let's go on to 26. Okay? Aluminum reacts with a certain non-metallic element to form a compound with the general element AlX. Okay? What is X? Okay? So we have ALX, all right? Just like the one before, okay? We know that aluminum has to be A+3, no matter what, okay? And in order to be, have this compound be neutral or have a zero charge, this X is going to have a -3, okay? And so now we go over and we look at our list of choices, and we're going to find one that has got a -3, okay? Sulfur is a 2, fluorine is a 1, bromine is a 1, nitrogen is a 3, and oxygen is a 2, so letter D, because we need a +3. Or not a +3, a -3. Okay? Predict the formula, the ionic compound with calcium and fluorine. Calcium is a 2 plus, fluorine is 1 minus, so we're looking for CaF2. Choices back over here, CaF2, letter A. Predict the formula between magnesium and fluorine, +2 minus 1. So we're looking at MgF2, which is letter E. Formula between magnesium and oxygen, +2 minus 2 for that, so MgO, which is letter B over there. And then the last one for this video, predict the formula between aluminum and oxygen, +3 minus 2. Switcheroo the charges, Al2O3, which is going to be letter C. And that takes care of part 2.